Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing a monochrome flower. And this is in honor of my mom, who passed away 47 years ago today. And our friend Nick, whose birthday is today, and he passed away a few years ago. And he was a great friend of ours. And I'd like to honor him with this flower also. So I'm not going to be speaking through this video, but I just want to give you the paints that I'm using. It's going to be Amsterdam Expert Series, and this is an oxide black. I'm going to be using Blick Studio Acrylic in titanium white, and I've added iridescent medium from Artist Loft in both of these colors. This is where it came from, the iridescent medium. And I'm just going to start the music and get on with it.
Life and death softly divide. I've left my skin and bones behind. Now I'm over on the other side. Can you feel me there with you? My breath is gone, but I am not through. Loved you then and I still do. From over on the other side, I can fly, really fly, below the earth, all through the sky. Tell them all I did not. I'm just over on the other side. It's good here on the other side. Sweetest songs, the bluest sky. Thank you for the tears you cried. But it's good here on the other side. I can fly, really fly, below the earth, all through the sky. Tell them all I did not die. I'm just over on the other side. Life and death softly divide. When you leave your skin and bones behind, I'll be waiting on the other side. I can fly, really below the earth, all through the sky. Go tell them all I did not. life and death softly divide. I've left my skin and bones behind. Now I'm over on the other side. Can you feel me there with you? My breath is gone, but I am not through. Loved you then and I still do. From over on the other side, I can fly. On the other side, sweetest songs, the bluest sky. Thank you for the tears you cried, but it's good here on the other side. I can fly, really. All through the sky, tell them all I did not die. I'm just over on the other life and death softly divide. When you leave your skin and bones behind, I'll be waiting on the other side. I can fly, release below the earth. All through the sky, go tell them all I did not die. I'm just over on the other
So well, I apologize. Yeah, so that really came out beautiful. I hope you all like this monochrome. I got some great cells in here, and I think we have a beautiful flower. I love the way it came out. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.